We at Regulated Industry East Midlands take the equality objectives to heart. We want to help to create an environment agency that attracts diverse applicants, and we want to engage with diverse audiences. On the 14th of December 2018, we held our Regulated Industry Equality, Diversity and Inclusion EDI event at the African Caribbean Community Centre in the Meadows, Nottingham. Mike told us how we can be at our better and best to support EDI. Julia told the team about community engagement and how we can be better at it, whilst Jane told the team of her life in the Caribbean island of Aruba and her life in this country. We learnt from the speakers that we need to show me, don't just tell me.
And the reason I believe it is show me, don't just tell me, we've got to the stage where we've got some fabulous policies, but now we need to get beyond the words on a page to where the community can see us in there, where they are, where they reside, where they visit, like the community we're in right now.
At the end, we discussed how we could put our learning into actions.